Hidden in the mountains of Thassos, just outside the traditional village of Theologos, you'll find one of the island's most beautiful natural treasures, the waterfalls of Theologos. Today, we are leaving the boat behind and heading to the waterfalls near the traditional village of Theologos. We didn't discover this beautiful place alone. If you go by here, we stop and we don't see the waterfall from down. We came here with our friends Maria and Aurelio from Spain. We met them while sailing in the Limen area, and because they also have a sailing boat and exploring Greece, we immediately had a lot in common. But what makes them truly special is not just the fact that they are sailors. Maria and Aurelio are genuinely wonderful people, kind, warm, generous, and the kind of people you feel comfortable with from the very beginning. They are the type of people who make a journey more enjoyable simply by being part of it. We feel very lucky that sailing brought us together and that we had the chance to become friends. They are traveling around the Greek islands on their sailing boat, discovering new places and enjoying the sailing lifestyle. Like us, they know that the life on the boat is not only about the destinations, it's also about the people you meet along the way. So, when we decided to visit Theologos and its waterfalls, it was the perfect opportunity to spend the day together. The walk to the waterfalls is quite easy and takes you through a beautiful green area surrounded by trees and nature. The waterfalls are not huge, but the cool water and peaceful surroundings will make this a great place to escape the summer heat and the busy beaches. So if you are visiting Thassos, don't just stay on the beach. Take a trip into the mountains and discover another side of the island.
Be careful with this. Oh! Oh!
What is it, Alex? Haideți. Alex, say something.
I'm trying to find how to start it.
Found a new scooter for you.
Yes. With this one hand,
Okay.
it's faster.
Let's go.
Mira, oh. Au, y Alex. Que ahí sí parece que hay una luz bonita. Pero es que las manchas...
Dacă vrei să... Filmează că oricum scoți sound-ul. Dacă vrei să-i pui și pe ei prin filmulețe, trebuie să le ceri acordul, da?
Mira, por donde iba, por ahí arriba. Y después bajaba, ¿no? Sí. Mira cómo gotea el agua ahí.
Sí.
Hay gotas.
Agua. The water.
But here, another Băi, Alex, te bagi în...
Episodul 1.
Da, vezi verzi.
September.
I know, right on my birthday.
Be careful here.
September. Para hacer el pan, ¿ves? ¿Se ve? Moler trigo, mix trigo, trigo como es, ¿no? Trigo.
Fata,
Da, da.
Deci... Nu, nu.
He left.
Mama, face o poză înăuntru aici?
Hai că merg.
If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our journey about Sarmi. Subscribe and come along for the next adventure. See you!